Huacachina is a laid-back village and backpacker haven in the Peruvian southwest. The small town surrounds the only oasis in the Americas, aptly named the Oasis of the Americas. Its location just 5 kilometers outside the city of Ica makes it the perfect jump-off point into the Peruvian desert for sandboarding, dune buggies, and paragliding. Which is exactly what Bethany and I are here to do. The dunes surrounding the oasis take some real effort to climb and could take 15 to 20 minutes of hard walking to reach the top. But once you're there, you can enjoy the beautiful surroundings with many others, humans and canines alike. A sunset from atop the dunes is something you won't soon forget, and just turning around you can see the beautiful lights of the oasis with Ica in the background. As always, it's a lot easier and more fun to run down the dunes back to town. Oh, I got so much sand in my shoes right now.
They tried to make all 4 of us hold hands running down, and I was like, that's a terrible fucking idea.
If you can also stand to get up a few hours before sunrise, you can also get incredible astrophotography and sunrise shots. Bethany and I have opted to rent our own sandboarding equipment in order to ride standing up. So to rent the board with bindings and boots, it's 30 soles for 4 hours, which gives us just enough time to go for sunset. That's about $10, which isn't too bad for 4 hours of sandboarding. Now I'm just gonna head back into the hostel. I'm staying at Bananas Adventures, and gonna have a drink or two of Pisco Sours and wait for the buggy to come and pick us up. After the first few hours immediately following sunrise, most people return to their hostels to eat and wait out the sun until the late afternoon, when the sandboarding and dune buggy tours operate. Pisco Sours are a classic Peruvian cocktail and national drink of both Peru and Chile, containing Peruvian pisco as a base, freshly squeezed lime juice, bitters, and last but not least, an egg white. It is widely thought to have been invented in Lima in the 1920s. Cheers. It's delicious, actually. So basically the equipment to sandboard here in Huacachina is just old snowboarding equipment, including the giant boots. So we handed our boards to the driver to load. Meanwhile, Bethany was still struggling to put on her boot even as we climbed the dunes out of town. Alright, so what you've just seen is about only the first 5 minutes of our little journey here. We just got out to take some pictures of Huacachina. It's absolutely gorgeous up here and it's got my adrenaline going. He's a good driver. Riding around the dunes, you start to lose your sense of direction and scale in the ever-changing landscape. It almost feels like you could be in the northern African Sahara, minus the camels. It's always a good idea to wear sunglasses and something to cover your nose and mouth.
Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god, my face!
So we've been doing some incredible sandboarding on the dunes here, and the buggy ride has been amazing up until the sand just flew in our faces about 5 seconds ago. But now we've got a good spot to watch the sunset here on the top of the dunes. the sand in your eye.
It abraded my corneas off. You know, no need for those anymore.
So at the end of another great day, we've come to what looks to be like a monster car rally, basically, with all the Dune Buggies here overlooking Huacachina, which is awesome. Nights in Huacachina usually end with drinks and a hostile barbecue. For about $50 US a person, you can hire a dune buggy and a paragliding instructor to take you out on the morning dunes. So this morning we opted for a private buggy tour to come out here and do some paragliding in the beautiful dunes. This is going to be amazing. I mean, come on, look at this view.
No money on my mind, tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the jokes you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines, needing tidy all the time. If you ask me, I am fine. Got no money on my mind. Reading patterns like the apples. Meditation through the yoga lessons. Going greener by the minute. Soon I can't wear any other colors. Posters covering my walls, but they fall down. Diving deeper in the books that we read blind. Got no money on my mind, tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the jokes you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines, needing tidy all the time. If you ask me, I am fine. Got no money on my mind, got no money on my mind, got no money on my mind, got no money on my mind. Got no money on my mind, tell my mommy I'm alright. Got no money on my mind. Don't you worry about me.
Our buggy driver had never been paragliding before, so our guide Guillermo took him for a free ride.
You look so happy.
If you find yourself planning a trip through Peru, I would recommend not skipping Huacachina. It ranks as one of my favorite experiences in 7 months of traveling South America. Thank you for watching this video. Smash the like and subscribe button below. If you want to see more content, ring the little bell icon to get notified for my newest videos. And you can click on the side over there to see some of my previous videos. Safe travels and never stop adventuring.